Amazon provides a steady flow of new devices that push the boundaries of innovation in the rapidly changing digital industry. Here are some new Amazon devices you should check out if you're looking for the newest and greatest technology for 2025. Nanoleaf Shapes. Lastly, we have Nanoleaf Shapes, one of the most eye-catching devices on the list. Stunning, adaptable light displays may be made on your walls with these modular smart lighting panels. With Nanoleaf Shapes, you can design your own light masterpiece, whether your goal is to create a dynamic, interactive artwork or just brighten a space with beautiful hues. They look great in any room of the house, whether it's your home office, living room, or gaming area. The cost. Nanoleaf Shapes can be somewhat more expensive than more conventional lighting options, is the only drawback. However, Nanoleaf is unmatched if you're looking for a genuinely distinctive and adaptable lighting experience. Lifx Smart LED Light Bulb. The Lifx Smart LED Light Bulb is another amazing smart lighting choice. It has vivid colors and adjustable brightness levels that you can manage with your voice assistant or smartphone. Lifx differs from other smart lights in that it operates without a hub, making setup remarkably easy and uncomplicated. With more than 16 million hues to pick from, you may quickly alter the mood of your space. Anyone who wants to create the ideal illumination for any occasion, whether it's a movie night, party, or a relaxing evening at home, should get a Lifx bulb. But bear in mind that although smart bulbs like Lifx can cost a little more than conventional LEDs, the extra features make the difference. Philips Hue White and Color Ambiance Starter Kit. The Philips Hue White and Color Ambiance Starter Kit is the best option if you've ever wanted to control your home's lighting with just your voice or phone. You have complete control over the ambience of every area with this kit's 16 million color-changing smart bulbs. You don't need any specialized equipment or knowledge, and the setup is very simple. In contrast to other smart lights, the starter kit can be somewhat expensive, but the quality, variety of colors, and versatility make it well worth the investment. Lutron Cassetta Wireless Plug-in Lamp Dimmer. The Lutron Cassetta Wireless Plug-in Lamp Dimmer is a great illustration of how sometimes the simplest adjustments may have the greatest effects. You can easily change the brightness of your lamps with this clever dimmer switch. There's no need for bulky light bulbs or outdated switches. One drawback is that the dimmer may not function with more intricate lighting arrangements, because it is most effective with lamps that have a conventional on-off switch. However, the Lutron Cassetta is a fantastic addition to your smart home collection if you want to improve the lighting in your house and add a little flair. Gosen Smart Plug. One of the devices that demonstrates that useful things may be found in tiny containers is the Gosen Smart Plug. It's feature-rich, inexpensive, and simple to set up, enabling you to operate your gadgets from a distance. Additionally, you can add a layer of convenience to your home by setting timers or schedules to switch items on or off automatically. With this smart plug, you have complete control over your TV, fans, and lighting. It may obscure nearby outlets due to its slight girth, but for the price, it's a fantastic entry-level smart plug that makes getting started with home automation simple. Belkin WeMo Insight Switch. Another device that will assist you in making your house smarter and more efficient is the Belkin WeMo Insight Switch. Similar to other smart plugs, it may be operated via voice commands with Google Assistant or Alexa or via your phone. Its ability to schedule gadgets is one noteworthy feature. For example, you may program your coffee maker to brew at a particular time or configure your lights to turn off automatically when you leave the house. Overall, it's a clever and reasonably priced method to add a little more convenience to your house, while the plug's somewhat bulky shape may obstruct adjacent outlets when plugged in. Anker Soundcore Liberty 4. The Anker Soundcore Liberty 4 should be on your radar if you're looking to buy new earbuds. The 10mm drivers inside these wireless earbuds provide amazing sound quality with clean treble and powerful bass. Additionally, you have total control over your listening experience with the Soundcore app, which allows you to alter the sound profile to your liking. Additionally, they are water and perspiration resistant, which makes them ideal for outdoor activities and exercise. The touch controls, however, maybe a little too sensitive for some users, which could result in unintentional pauses or skips. But the Liberty 4 earbuds are excellent if you want exceptional comfort, long battery life, and high-quality music. Wemo Wi-Fi Smart Plug. For anyone wishing to upgrade their home's intelligence without going over budget, the Wemo Wi-Fi Smart Plug is revolutionary. It's also really simple to set up. All you have to do is plug it into an outlet and link it to your Wi-Fi. Despite being a tiny device, it may significantly alter your daily schedule. The sole drawback? If you use the Wemo plug in a busy power strip, it may obstruct adjacent outlets due to its small size. However, given its cost and simplicity of usage, it's an obvious choice for anyone wishing to dabble in smart home technology. Lux Kono Smart Thermostat. Imagine not having to turn a single knob to get the temperature you want when you go inside your house. That is made possible by the Lux Kono Smart Thermostat, which blends in perfectly with any house because to its sleek and contemporary design. You can use your smartphone, iPad, or even voice commands with Google Assistant or Alexa to remotely adjust the temperature of your house with this Wi-Fi-enabled thermostat. But bear in mind that installation can call for some do-it-yourself expertise, or you might need a pro to make sure it's linked up properly. However, once installed, this smart thermostat will improve the efficiency and comfort of your house. Marshall Stanmore 2. The Marshall Stanmore 2 Bluetooth speaker is a device that is likely to make any audiophile's heart skip a beat. Let's get started. With its famous Marshall design, this speaker is as much a statement piece as it is a speaker, fusing vintage aesthetics with high-end sound quality. The Stanmore 2 is ideal for any music enthusiast who wishes to make their songs come to life because of its clean treble, powerful bass, and room-filling sound. However, this is a must-have if you appreciate both elegance and substance in your music. These 10 Amazon gadgets make travel in 2025 smarter, comfier, and more fun. From vibrant lighting to immersive audio, pack these for your next trip. Stay connected and travel bold.